Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're using your computer over the years and your computer has gotten slower or is suffering lag in any of your programs or games, I might have the perfect solution. So make sure to watch the whole video. You can adjust power plan by clicking on Windows icon and then typing power, select edit power plan. Go back to power options. This will show you different power plans. Make sure to select high performance. If you have too many programs running in the background when you start your computer, it can give your system a sluggish feel. So to improve boot time and free resources, you need to right click on your taskbar, open Task Manager, go to Startup tab, and then disable every unwanted program or apps on Startup by right-clicking and selecting Disable. You need to delete temporary files collected by your computer over the years. Right-click on Windows, select Run, and then type in %temp%, click OK, select all files, then delete. We can now close this window and then repeat the process, but this time you need to type in temp, click OK, select all by pressing Ctrl A, right click, then delete. Then let's close this. This time, let's delete prefetch. So type in prefetch, click continue, then select all files by pressing Ctrl A, right click, delete, and then skip. If there are pre-installed software or software that you no longer use, it's best to remove them from your computer. Click on Windows icon, type in Control Panel, select Control Panel. Make sure to change this to category. Click Uninstall a program. Go through the list and find the program or app that you like to remove, and then click Uninstall. We can optimize drives by clicking Windows icon and then type defrag. Select defragment and optimize drives. We need to optimize the drives one by one. So just select the drive and then click Analyze, and then Optimize. Please keep in mind that this may take a while depending on the status of your drives. Repeat the process with all the drives you have. Once you're done, don't forget to turn off scheduled optimization. Click Change Settings, and then uncheck Run on Schedule. Click OK, and there it is. It's now turned off. A handy utility that's been in Windows for decades is the Disk Cleanup tool. Click on Windows icon and then type Disk Cleanup. Run the tool. Then pick the drive you like to clean up. Click OK. Put a check mark next to the options you like to clean up. Then when ready, click Clean Up System Files. Click OK. This window will pop up and it will show you the total amount of disk space you will gain, which in my case it is 5.75 gig. So you just need to click OK and then delete files. And now it's cleaning up my local disk C. I'll just wait for it to finish. And that's it. If you like my video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.